Hello mama, would you like to be my nigga? Touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to ice on my neck, cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo when I spent like 10 G's. I just did a show and spent the check on my mama. When I go and vacay, I might run out the Bahamas. And I keep like 10 phones, dog, I'm really never home. All these niggas clones tryna copy what I'm on. Nigga, get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Wait till brother skip, boy, I had a good day. Got your PCH, trapping, boy, I'm making plays. 50 shades of gray, beat the pussy like Hulk Hogan. I know you know my slogan, if it ain't about I'm gold. Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete air road. Shawty stand on my necklace, cause my diamonds really froze. Put that dick up in her pussy, but she feel it on her toes. I'm a real young nigga from the young nigga from the 6-star bros. Real young nigga from the 6-star bros. In the middle of the party, bitch, get off of me. Goddamn. Ain't it cause I'm rolling up my broccoli? Goddamn. Yeah, I know your baby mama finding me. Goddamn. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Goddamn. Whisper in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Goddamn. Say that I can get that shit so easily. Goddamn. Say that I can hit that shit so easily. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily. Sing it! Ain't no what I'm feeling. We are. Hey, hey. We are. Fuck shit. Open that shit up. Open that shit up. Look. Roll it loud. If you ain't gave me no energy tonight, I need all of your energy on this next song. I need all